are going to be going live to tell everybody about a very, very cool machine. And the machine is none other than Lutronic. And this is, let me show. So this is welcoming the new machine. Let me see. So this is what is the password for this machine. There you go. Now we know the password for this. There you go. All right. Yes. There you go. So our face has, so this is a microneedling machine. It is the new machine by Lutronic. It also has a RF laser with it, so it's called Genius, and we are bringing everybody in to start testing on it. So please watch us. Laura is going to, at that point, be our model, and we're going to go live on Wednesday. Anybody who has any questions, our procedure is going to be outdoors, so we will be outside on a bed, and it is going to be an outdoor treatment. So hopefully it's going to be really, really good. Well, the days of cosmetic surgery may be like on hold for some time because we are in the midst of a virus. But we are definitely 100% ready still for some non-surgical procedures, and non-surgical procedures are very effective. You just need a couple of them, and sometimes their results are really not as good as surgical procedures, but they are good. So we look forward to seeing you guys, and hopefully Laura is going to also do breathing exercises then. Absolutely. Because she's going to breathe through pain, because that will be the day where microneedling does hurt, and we're going to show you the real deal. You're ready for the real deal?
Absolutely. I'm ready.
She's saying yes. She's 100% ready for the real thing. So let's see. If you look at Laura's face, one of the things that Laura's face is developing, Laura, I'm going to touch you now. So if you look, she's perfect, but as everybody knows, Laura is perfect, but even perfection requires a little bit of kind of maintenance, and that is what we're going to do. And she has like a perfect jawline, everything, but as we get older in certain areas, like around her jaw line, this area, she's beginning to notice some, and around her under eye, you know, she's losing a bit of collagen. I'm going to have to inject her there also, but basically I'm going to do what we're going to do is with Lutronic, we will basically be doing a little bit of a couple of microneedling sessions, which will be very close to her under eye, to see if we can just boost her own collagen. So one of the great things about this machine is that it really it actually senses the collagen. I can really provide controlled treatment and energy, and provide the right kind of, it has a RF laser also, and can go on all skin types. This is one machine that actually is very good for the summertime, because it does not have some of the other treatment protocols that we have with our usual lasers. So that is why.
And there's no downtime, right?
There is downtime with this machine. You are going to, especially some of the treatments that we do, especially for the lift, especially skin tightening under the neck and stuff. It does actually not only can be painful, but also will take at least 10 days to heal. Okay. So definitely. The machine has arrived, our new baby, Lutronic Genius. And this is going to be, and it has like right now I don't have the actual tip on it, but it is going to have like a microneedling tip to it, and we basically give also stem cell treatments with it. So really cool. All these treatments need to be outdoors because it's just safer outside, and we can even put masks on. But well, this room is great because it's very airy, it's nice, and it's like ginormous. It's not in an enclosed space, but outside is even better, and especially when the weather is nice, the treatments should be much safer. So anyway, guys, I am going to go pick my manji, which is like actually a kind of a bed. It's like an outside kind of a bed, and I want to put it outside for some of our treatments that we will now do. Post-COVID treatments are going to be the pandemic treatments for anti-aging need to be done outside, especially the long ones. And when we do this is with Laura, when we do our treatments here on Laura on this coming Wednesday, because she's going to be my first model for it. So we will do it outdoors. She's going to numb, because we do always, because this treatment hurts. So we're going to numb her, but we will also teach her some breathing exercises that I always teach everybody who needs to be taught that, especially how to breathe through pain. And it's some technique. These are somewhat similar to, maybe you might have heard about Lamaze. So, sometimes you really have to take those deep breaths when you're going through pain, and we really practice them when we're getting some of these treatments. So, you will really see Laura. Where's Laura? And so we say bye to Laura.
Bye, everybody. See you Wednesday. Tune in.
Tune in all day Wednesday. We are going to be showing this on all different, on all the forums. So it'll probably be on Instagram, on this and that, on maybe on YouTube also. So let's see. Take care, guys.
Bye.
And sayonara.